Alright, so we're building a new PC. Yeah, and by a new PC I mean 2 new PCs, but they're going in the same case. So yeah, we're gonna get to that. First, I have to introduce you to my roommate and a good friend of mine, who will appear momentarily. You can't see him right now. All right, yeah. So this is the roommate. So what do we got here?
All right, we got this Core i9 12900K. That'll go into our Z690 board by Aorus.
I'm a big fan of Aorus.
Definitely not because of me. I'm also a big fan of Aorus. And then we have Gigabyte, which is Aorus. You know. Got
to be a mini ITX board because the case can't fit both of them.
So yeah, we got, and then we have in here we have an 11700K that'll go into this Z590 mini ITX board that'll go into the bottom of the case.
So it's currently in a motherboard because I had to purchase it off of him. We both just upgraded our main system processors to 12th gen, so we just, spare processor.
Yep.
It makes sense. Put it in there. Same chipset.
Same stuff.
So yeah.
All right.
Now we, I guess we'll get to work putting the motherboards together. Look at this beaut.
Cool. Got this nice and sexy mini ITX board. Vision D. Capital D.
So. Poor vision, you know?
Alright. Let's get the case in.
We present to you the Corsair 1000D.
Banana for scale.
So from here, I guess we're just going to start installing fans. It's got this nice, beautiful little fan rack right here to fit all 8 of its front fans. And we're using LIAN Li's.
There's some sexy fans.
Plus they stack. Okay? Just like that, the case suddenly has 11 fans. I can do math. Alright, let's talk drives. I personally hate transferring data, so we're just going to use the hard drives from my old PC.
Can you grab me M.2 screws out of the motherboard box?
That's an M.2 screw. Yep. That's an M.2 screw.
Well, hello. Welcome back. We're just installing SSDs.
So basically, I'm putting the stuff on there so, when we put the massive cooler on, we still, have access to everything.
Want to go ahead and put the RAM in then?
So here we have some Trident Z Royals, silver of course. Got them at, unfortunately, only 3200 megahertz. It didn't have the 3600. And then clock speed of 16. Well, stickers are falling out.
Oh no, the stickers.
I have to brutalize this box to get it open. I didn't enjoy doing that. Here we have the packaging. Look at it, it's beautiful. Nice little G-Skill sticker. They gave you a little tiny cloth to clean it to get rid of your fingerprints. If I were smart, I'd put on gloves or something, but...
Nah, screw that. Who needs gloves?
It's the last one, we're almost there.
It's the most dangerous one, Zach. It's on the edge.
I'm on the edge.
Don't do that, you're gonna get copyright struck.
No, that falls under Creative Commons because that was very creative.
You're right. Very, very creative. That little...
falsetto.
Yeah, inflection of the voice,
Yeah. Sir, get to work. Clean the outside. Make it look beautiful.
Yes, boss.
Here you go.
Thank you, boss.
No problem. And now we've installed the beautiful RAM.
So what we got for a cooler?
We have this big old behemoth right here, the Noctua NH-D15. Black, of course, because if you can't tell right now, the current theme is white and black. There's going to be, additional colors that are added, but that's via RGB. So I'm just going to hand this to you.
I don't need it just yet. I need to get the mounting bracket out first. Nothing. There's a specific placement, and I missed. What do you mean you missed? Write in the comments if you know where it's from.
Yeah, do that. If you don't, then be like me and say nothing. So now we've got the 1700 socket mounting on it, just so we can put the heatsink on it. Now remember, friends, you see how there's this metal plate right here, and there's a top of a processor right here. You should always put thermal paste on your CPU. Not a lot of thermal paste, but some thermal paste.
I go with the trusty grain of rice size.
And just like that, it's beautiful.
I want the cables to go this way. These are some monster fans.
They are. Are they 140?
Yeah, I think so.
They are 140.
Yeah. Oh. Here, you do it. We gotta give the audience what they want.
Well, I can't get underneath it. Oh, there it is.
You fucked up. That was my fault.
We having fun?
This is what PC building's all about. Just hanging out with the bros. You know.
Being bros in the hot tub 5 feet apart, you know? But
definitely.
Also, no water should be involved when building PCs. Distilled water, sure. Normal water? No, don't do that. Bad plan.
Bad plan.
Ta-da! Upon completion of installation of RAM, NVMe drives, heatsink, CPU, standard items, it is time to install the motherboard in the case. Oh my god, this thing is heavy.
I got this.
Where are the screws? Are these the screws?
It's in the bag. Damn it. You didn't prep this?
Alright, so now that we've done that, it's time to get out the second cooler.
It do be that time, eh?
So basically, I've got a low profile CPU cooler right here. Noctua NH-D15. We went with this one because there's going to be, you know, another computer that's going to go right here.
Let's not put that in yet. Or if this system is here, it's going to be hard to run these cables. I think next is power supplies.
Here we have the 1000-watt PSU from Corsair. Woo! There was a brief period of time in which the camera died, so we did a little bit of, you know, small maintenance things. I'm working on installing the heatsink for the Mini ITX. We got cables all over the goddamn place. Hey guys, it's Editing APOC here. My camera died while we were recording the video, so we missed out on a whole bunch of stuff that happened. I'm just going to go over it here so that it's, you know, it makes sense. So we mounted the heatsink for the secondary PC to the motherboard. Then we attached the motherboard to the PSU shield, and then we reinserted the PSU shield back into the case. And that's basically what happened. Plug that guy in before we...
What?
Do you want to plug that cable in before we do things?
I've already plugged it in. That work?
I don't know. We're gonna find out. It's kind of anti-bending, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, it's in.
Cool.
Alrighty, friends. You know what time it is. We gotta put the Asus ROG STRIX Gaming, you know, 4090 in there. It is overclocked already. I'm gonna unbox it. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna, you know, save battery for that. And we'll be back when it's in the thing.
Atrocious.
It's been several hours for us. I did say I was gonna be back as soon as the GPU was plugged in. We did a little bit more than that. So here's the PC.
Well, we didn't do too much more. You know, we just plugged in cables.
Yeah, we plugged in cables, we plugged in the GPU, we added a capture card, you know, all the standard things.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready for my attempt at like a hype video for this? Like a promo, like the end result little music shot? like that you're seeing. We tried real hard. We spent a lot of money.
Yeah,
Things will change when water cooling becomes something I can afford. So now it's time to add the tempered glass panels and do the final peel.
And then do a B-roll shot, I guess. Oh.
For your assistance, you get to join me in the final peel here.
Right.
Ready, steady, here. And look at that beauty.
Any final words?
I'm tired.
Same.
Hey guys, thanks for sticking around to the end if you made it here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know what you want to see from me in the future. Also, don't forget to stick around for some bloopers after the video. Hi, how are you?
What do you mean you missed?
How did you miss? How could you?
Oh, you don't know where that's from?
Nope.
What do you mean you missed?
Alright.
Sorry, I look at the camera and I go, right in the comments, you know where it's from?
Yes. Alright, that's really the end. Thank you guys so much for making it here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.